Hey everyone, welcome to my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys. All are serially packed here. I will hand wrap these toys with my hand. So let's go. First one is a Avenger car. Next one is a crocodile water tanker. Next one is a hybrid Tesla car. Next one is a heavy duty drum truck. Next one is a heavy duty vehicle. Next one is a fire service rescue truck. Next one is a Roadmaster R95 sports car. Next one is a Boys scooter. Next one is a speedboat car. Girls scooter. Next one is a yellow color Roadmaster sports car. Friends, all are serially packed here. I will ending this video. See you soon next time.